welcome to the beautiful episode of My Study Talks. It's me, Shreya Surendran. So today, as we all know, I'm going to talk about a very interesting topic, food. Food has been a major part of everybody's life, right? Its preservation, commercial production, and innovation allocation, everything has came across a lot of changes. And its innovation in terms of food and its technological prospects, everything requires a very trained engineer. Yes, I'm talking about food technology engineer. Let's talk further about the subject, and here we have the HOD of Food Technology Engineering of Amal Jyoti College, Dr. Anup Raj sir. Namaskaram sir.
Namaskar.
Yes. So Sir was an alumni of Vellore Institute and Technology, and right now he's working in Amal Jyoti College, as you all know, he's HOD. So sir, I would really love to know, what is food technology engineering?
Food technology engineering, it's a combination of science and technology. Deals with food processing, preservation, its management, packaging, storage. So it's a interdisciplinary branch related with you should acquire the skills of life skill and biochemical engineering principles, downstream processing related aspects, then food processing and preservation related things. So it is an interdisciplinary branch which you have to acquire the skills from all these areas, which makes the food technology technocrats helps for the future generation.
All right, so why do we choose food technology engineering? What are the career prospects? And a lot of students might be seeing right now, so they would love to know what are the job roles that requires for this particular branch.
Yeah, food technology, it is a interdisciplinary areas which touches the various fields in the life science, microbiology related things, then engineering aspects related to the processing preservations. So when you comes to the job prospects, all these food industries, which comprises of all these different unit operations, there is a place for all of you. And when you're coming into the government sectors, the best institute, as all of you know, Central Food Technological Research Institute in Mysore, and many other premier institute which comes under central government, deals with Food Corporation of India. So there is a good number of opportunities you have in the government sectors also. Private sectors I already mentioned. And you have a lot of skills and opportunities in the as an entrepreneur. You can start your own businesses, because now, as you all know, in the modernized world, many skills and opportunities you have to provide in the areas of food industries. So there you have a lot of scopes in the entrepreneurs related skills also. So it is a diversified field. We have different scopes in all these areas.
All right. So Amal Jyoti College definitely offers this particular subject. So why to choose this super specialty subject in the college?
Yeah, so why food technology? Because at present, if you look into the current scenario in the industrial sectors in India, food technology is a lot of scopes and opportunities, not only in India, in outside international level we have. So with this background information and on outside, Amal Jyoti College of Engineering, they started the BTech in Food Technology. That is a 4 years of course that helps ready to make industrial ready professionals related to the food technology, and to make the real technocrats that not only with the industrial needs, they are also need to fulfill the dreams of our farmers or the societal needs. Okay, so because of that, I am extremely happy to say, BTech Food Technology we have started in Amal Jyoti College of Engineering, and we are currently running with the Kerala Technological University curriculum with the 2019 scheme.
Those students who would like to take food technology engineering as their career, what are the research subjects that they could choose out of it?
They have a lot of scopes in the research and development areas, specifically in the life science streams, in the microbiology areas, molecular biology areas. If you're coming into the engineering side, food processing and preservation areas, you can concentrate it.
Yeah.
Then if you look into the market side, the food packaging, preservation, storage, transportation. So many diversified areas you can comes under the single umbrella into this research and development related to this food technology.
Yes.
So, a lot of scopes you have, specifically the emerging areas in nanotechnology. So, we do specifically make the applications in food technology related to the combinations in life science, nanotechnology, and other diversified field of engineering. Because nowadays we do not concentrate on a particular area alone. We have encouraged the students to get it into the integrated areas. And also, if you see the food processing and related sensor development, we have to merge with the other diversified areas also, something like the electronics, mechanical engineering, instrumentation, many fields. So I should say you have a emergent, lot of scopes and opportunities are available in the R&D sector related to the food technology.
So those students who didn't pursue food technology engineering in their UG, can they do it for their PG, or else is there any particular branch which is only permitted to do this particular food technology engineering?
Yeah, so that's actually a very relevant question in the current scenario. Many diversified field related to this food technology, specifically I could say this biotechnology, then biochemical engineering, and some areas related to this environmental engineering related disciplines also can pursue the master's level program in food technology, which offers many other IITs and NITs and many deemed universities all over India. And in abroad also, you have many lot of opportunities. And also the master's level and higher studies, specifically in the R&D sectors, research and development, and you can pursue PhD in foreign universities. There also you have lot of provisions. If you do the UG program in these diversified field, you can pursue into this master's level program in food technology and related things. That will be specific actually. Food nutrition and food processing and preservation. Then something like it should be specific in the master's level program.
So, sir, yourself being a researcher, what do you want to tell to the aspirants about this particular branch and its scope, or maybe what do you want to just convey to them?
Only one advice to all the aspirants: course which you are committed, not only in food technology, any engineering discipline. So you look in future in such a way that it should demand or the supply related to the term fulfillment of the sustainability. So that will help you
Further in future.
for in the betterment of the future.
Exactly. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. It was really informative talking
Thank
to
you,
you.
ma'am. Thank you.
Means a lot talking to us.
Thank you.